Hello everyone, my name is Andhika PUTRA from 12 Sign 4, number 34. I'm here to explain about descriptive text and explanation text. Let's get started.
Descriptive and explanation text. Definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text that explains a people, animal, and object, whether it's on form, quantity, or nature. Some well-known writers, especially fiction writers, are required to have good skills in writing descriptive text. It aims to make their writing easy to understand. Therefore, good skills in mastering this one lesson can make it easier for you to become a good writer. So, it can be said that the descriptive text is a text that explains but whether a person or an object is like, whether its form, its properties, its amount, and other. The purpose of the descriptive text is clear. That is to describe, represent, or reveal a person or an object, either abstract or concrete. Purpose descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. The descriptive text is meaningful text that describes the experience related to their sense, such as what shape, sound, taste is. Most descriptive text is about visual experience, but in fact, the experience other than the sense of sight, we can also use it to make descriptive text. So, it can be said that the descriptive text is a text that explains about whether a person or an object is like, whether it's from its properties, its among another. The purpose of the descriptive text is clear, that is to describe, represent or reveal a person or an object, either abstract or concrete. Characteristic of description text. The tenses used is the simple present tense. The verb used are attribute verbs such as be, am, is, are, and only focus on an object to be described. General structure of descriptive text. When writing descriptive text, there are some generic structures, actually not mandatory. For all writing to be true, the arrangement is identification, contains recognition of the place, person, animal, or other object to be explained. Description contains a description of something such as object, animal, a people, or place by explaining characteristics, shapes, color, or anything related to what the author will describe. Linguistic element of descriptive text has a specific object only uses one word explanation. For example, Pandangan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple is a specific participant. To clarify the noun, for example, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, the famous place in Japan is the use of an adjective or noun. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the fact of the object described. The use of simple present tense. Verbs that indicate the existence of an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk. It is a action verb. Next. Example of descriptive text about person. My best friend is James and he is my classmate. We go to school together. James come James comes from an educated family. His father is a school principal and his mother is also a teacher. He is punctual, well educated, and has good manners. He is really hardworking. He always does his homework. He is also well dressed and well behaved. All teachers have a high opinion of him. James has a well-built body. He is gentle but fearless. He takes part in all sports, scouts, trekking, and mountaineering activities. He has a good heart. He is truthful, honest, and obedient. He also plays the guitar, and he makes his parents very proud of him. He secures good marks and is usually top of his class in examination. He inspires me to work harder. He keeps me away from bad company. I am happy to have such a friend. Explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation text is a type of text in English that describes a process. Talking about the process, this text is almost the same as procedure text. However, if the procedure text describes how to do something or process, this, this, this text describes how a process occurs. Purpose of explanation text. Explanation is a text which tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomenon. Number two, to explain how or why something happened. Characteristic of explanation text. Using the simple present tense, using action verb, using passive voice, using non-pauses, using technical term, use contents and explanation of the process. General structure of explanation text. 1. General statement. Contains general information on topics to be discussed in the text. Number 2. Explanation. Contains a sequence of events from a process which is the topic of the text. Closing. The closing or closing part is optional or does not have to be in this text. This section may contain additional information or the author's opinion on the topic discussed. Example of explanation text about natural phenomenon. How does rain happen? Rain is the primary source of fresh water for most areas of the world, providing suitable conditions for diverse ecosystems, as well as water from hydroelectric power plants and crop irrigation. The phenomenon of rain is actually a water cycle. The concept of water cycle involves the sun hitting the earth's surface water and causing the surface water to evaporate. The water vaporizes into the Earth's atmosphere. The water in the atmosphere cools and condenses into liquid droplets. The droplets grow until they are heavy and fall to the earth as precipitation, which can be in the form of rain or snow. However, not all rain reaches the surface. Some evaporates while falling through dry air. This is called virga, a phenomenon which is often seen in hot, dry desert regions. Thank you.
It's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention to my video. Hope you like it and see you later. Bye.